So friend, Samsung Galaxy S25 FE is expected to be unveiled at the Galaxy Unpacked event on September 4. Leaked details about the handset have done the rounds of the rumor mill over the past few weeks. We have had a hint of the design, price range and several key features of the upcoming model. It is expected to feature an Exynos 2400 SoC and sport a design similar to the base Galaxy S25. Now, some of the accessories of the fan edition smartphone and their prices have been leaked, and tipster Sudhanshu Ambor shared images and prices of various Samsung Galaxy S25 FE accessories, including protective cases, in a series of posts on threads. The leaked images indicate that the handset will feature a vertically placed pill-shaped rear camera module in the top left corner of the panel, and according to the post, the official clear case of the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE will cost €30 while the silicone case will be priced at €40. The tipster added that the rugged case is expected to be listed at €49, and meanwhile the standing grip case and the kind shoot case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE will likely be sold at €55 and €60. The official anti-reflecting film for the handset is said to be marketed at €30, and in the US the Samsung Galaxy S25 is expected to be priced at $649 and $709 for the 128GB and 256GB storage variant. In some European regions, the base 128GB option may cost €789, and the Samsung Galaxy S25 will likely have a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED 2X display with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, and it may feature an Exynos 2400 SoC with 8GB of RAM. It will likely ship with Android 15 One UI 7, and the handset is expected to pack a 4900 mAh battery and an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. And in the camera department, the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE is tipped to be equipped with a triple rear camera unit including a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide shooter and an 8MP 3x telephoto lens. The phone may include a 12MP selfie snapper as well. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.